I have to do an activity and I am checking this oxygen measurement I am trying to do. This is one of the activity. How to check it? You have to first finger start. This is the oxygen meter, oximeter, and let me check up. After a long time, I'm checking. During Corona period, we were checking 98 and 73. This looks to be okay. Difficult to read 73 and 98. It's possible. I don't know. This is. I'll switch off here at this point, and oxygen is okay. Pulse is also okay, and now I'll bring the instrument. Now this is the BP measurement. I have to check this. 5 minutes activity has been told. I don't know how to do it. Activity में क्या क्या करना है पता नहीं. Mindfulness. This is the instrument. This is the cuff. This is called cuff. I am checking after many days. Normally you are supposed to check and senior citizens once or twice in 15 days is good enough. So let me check how much is the reading. Aja bhai. I just finished my dinner also today. How much time it takes, I don't know. This activity will total time it takes. This is the instrument. You have to insert this here. This pipe has to be inserted here, and machine will start. You have to start. So this reading will start. Let me see how much is the reading. I have to wait for some time. Just few minutes back I finished my dinner, and 8 o'clock we have a session on English speaking. Karishma ma'am is there today to conduct that session. I don't know if it's supposed to speak or not during this. Wait for the reading. Oh, little higher. Here it is 74 and 74 and 156 to be little higher. But then I have to record this reading, and that's all. I cannot do anything. This is a machine reading. You can try once again. The procedure for checking the blood pressure has been told to us in one of the sessions at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, that you can take 3 consecutive readings, and out of 3 readings, I should not speak. Middle one is supposed to be the correct reading. So that means after the dinner, if you check BP, it's on higher side little. Now it is 136, 71 and 72. Second reading is 136, 71 and 72. Let me check one more reading. So सेंटर वाली जो रीडिंग है वो बोला गया था कि you take 3 readings. First reading you ignore, third reading you ignore, second reading is the correct reading. So 130. Let's see what the third reading gives. Third reading of blood pressure measured on this Omron machine today on 20th. Again it is on higher side, 75, 71 and 151. So first and third reading I am ignoring. The second reading I am taking 136, 72 and 72, I think. So 75. The lower one, the systole and diastole, it is measured in millimeters of mercury. Pulse is 71 now. The lower one, the diastole is 75 and systole is 136. If you can see these readings, here it is, third reading is 151, 72 and 71, 75 and 71. So I'll stop here at this point. 5 minutes activity is complete now, and I will have to put this video into that group where the activity has been designed and given to us. And now 2 more activities I have to do. I'll stop here at this point. This is GS Anand signing out until we meet again.